How can tourism be turned from a burden into a positive force for change? In 2024, this question led Copenhagen to turn climate-friendly actions into a currency by launching CopenPay. The initiative became such a success that it's now back 3 times as big, and this year you can even get rewarded for how you get to Copenhagen.
This is an invitation
to help us
make tourism
more sustainable
and get rewarded with CopenPay.
For instance, help us keep the water in the canals clean in exchange for a free boat tour.
Help remove invasive plants for a free vegetarian meal.
Join us for a plugging tour where we collect litter together to get a free coffee and a Danish.
Bike to a museum instead of going by car and get an entry discount.
Or a free cup of coffee.
more than anything. We believe in fewer flights and longer stays.
So if you arrive to Copenhagen by train,
or stay a minimum of 4 days, you can get free bike rental,
a free bag of surplus food,
a yoga class,
a free guided tour,
or even a dinner made with surplus ingredients by gourmet chefs.
Dear guests,
this is our invitation.
Together,
we can make tourism
more sustainable.